see. My basil plant, I'm harvesting, and I'm going to see how to dry these leaves. Okay. This pepper plant, wow. I get to see any type of fruits on this one. I don't know, they're not getting fertilized. Oh, what? This tomatillo has taken over. Look at the size of this pepper. That's ready. Ooh. Another one. My ground cherries. Okay, we're gonna do a quick garden update, starting with the kiwi vine over here. It is growing so big. The basil seem to have taken all the rain, some damage. Okay. Zinnia, pepper. Wow, I haven't been out here in a few days. Tomatillo. And my first pepino melon. Look at that. Berries is slowing down, so I'll pick what's ready. This is another purple tomatillo. I think I see a few. One over there that looks ready. The tomato patch is looking good as always. I'll pick whatever tomatoes is there. The rain for the last couple days is splitting them, so yeah, they look good though. I'm gonna pick whatever is there, and then I'm gonna pick these eggplants because I'm gonna cook them today. So I'm gonna pick 1, 2, 3, and let's see how many eggplants we get. There's so many. So many little ones. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna pick this one. This is why I'm going to fire this camera person here.
You can't fire me. I live with you.
Video, I'm telling you to video.
Well, I'm the professional, not you.
Oh my gosh, so much rain.
Bee,
They're
please don't hurt me.
splitting. All of them are splitting. I think I'm gonna pick all of them.
Ooh, it's hot.
Kids are you complaining.
I'm gonna get a sunburn. There's a bee dancing on the little piece of grass.
Are you really?
Yep. Wait, where'd it go? No. Yeah, but it's entertaining. It's just going on every piece of grass that's going on. No, God, Jesus. No. No, no, no. Do you know how many bees are over there? I don't wanna. I'm just gonna zoom in. I don't wanna. Just hold it up to the camera. Ah! Jesus, I hate being outside. Are those grapes?
Yes, I have to pick them.
Grapes. They're so pretty. Ooh, they look so great on camera. Ah! If I get stung, I'm gonna sue outside world. Oh my god. Oh, nice.
Banana pepper.
Can I eat it like I did to jalapeno?
You see my watermelon?
No. Which one's a watermelon?
It's in there, right there.
Oh, I see. Oh gosh. Where is it? Where is it? I can kind of see it. I've got to move some stuff. Oh, she's so pretty. Are those mushrooms?
Yeah. Where they come from? I don't know if those are edible.
Then block them. Block them. There could be an infestation. Probably a bee brought it over from something else.
What did you answer? Did you have banana or?
Oh, I'm burning up. Are we done? How do you stay out here for so long? I'm just gonna get an even jam.
Oh, come Jessie, let me video me picking my lovely grapes. Come on, this. So, I've been growing these grapes for the last 3 years, and these are my 4 beautiful clusters. And my grapes is dying back, which I don't know why, but I will figure that out later. And we're going to actually, let's taste. A little sour still, but sweet. Look at it. Isn't that beautiful? Absolutely beautiful. It's small, but I grew it. I love it. You like to taste one, Jazz? Oh my goodness.
They taste like grapes.
Really?
No, they have seeds.
Mmm. So good. So good. Oh my goodness. So good.
I thought they were seedless.
Yeah, I love that they're seeded grapes. Organically grown. Nothing on them.
Nothing. Smells squishy.
This one still got some little bit of green.
I'm gonna get so sunburnt. Oh, Jesus. Why?
Take a picture. My very own grapes.
Are you proud?
I'm so proud of myself. And they're so good.
You look like a grape.
I'm seated, and I love it.
I can feel the sunburn.
Oh my goodness, child. Okay.
I need to go inside. I was not built for this. Anywho. Okay, can I go inside now? Ah! I have an open wound. I should not be out here. Are we done? The sun is trying to eat me. Oh, please, he's trying to get me sunburned. Wait, let me not get copyrighted. Up here.
Let me just grab this cucumber before it's bigger than it is. Oh my goodness. Grapes. I have my daddy. I don't know what's going on with my cucumber. On this whole
Mama, I can't see you.
get ready to go.
Okay. Can I turn the camera off?